Okay, you had to run around before I went out, and it was -1 EV. We'll try 0 EV. What? You shouldn't be playing. Audio off. Oh, that's how I do it. Yeah, anyway, here we go. I'll give you the walk around. No. It's getting out. Oh, it's a long way down. It's a long way down. There's my pigeons. All the way across there. So I'll give you a run around. We've got a car coming. Come on. Give it a walk around. Nice and clean, nice and clean, nice and clean, nice and clean. Nice and clean. There's always cars coming up here. Nice and clean. I got a new brush for the alloys. Different one. See, give it a go. I've got spray that I can get into the dirty bits in there, just to soak it, spray it around, and then I got a nice little brush, because the brush I've got is huge. As you can see, when I first got this car, I curbed her a lot. That was a bad show. They are filthy. They are filthy. I didn't clean out my petrol cap. Anyway, shopping. See you later.